Hello all, Aaron here, just back with a very quick unboxing video, just a little something that GoAndGarrett has sent to me. Could you tell? I mean, look at that, the packing tape has got their logo all over it. Look, it's nice, isn't it? Now, I'm not sure what's in the box, but I do know that one of the items is a mug, and it's fragile. It says so there. But yeah. This was sent to me by Harrison, who is, and let's face it, the brains behind GoAndGarrett. I mean, he's the filmer, editor, director, producer. He does all that. Steve is just the eye candy. Yeah, Steve's the eye candy. He's the on-screen talent. Harrison is the one that actually puts in the effort. You know. So thank you, Harrison. I don't know how Steve's going to feel about me saying that. But thank you, Harrison. So I know that in here there is a mug, and I've got my coaster ready to put the mug on. Thank you to Richard Wood, by the way, for sending me this. Thank you, Richard. So let's have a look then. What's in the box? He wanted me to do this on camera. I'll tell you what, don't have the spiders or anything. I'll tell you that much. Right. Bloody hell, Aaron. What's wrong with you? Right, alright. So, I think we're in. Right, let's pack in peanuts. So first of all then, let's start off with the mug. I'm guessing this is it. Oh, look at that. That's nice. There you go. See, I told you Steve was the eye candy. On that side, double dinger, GoAndGarrett. Look at that, that's brilliant. That's really nice. That's lovely quality. Right, let's put that. A little coaster there. Yeah, look at that. Magic. My wife hates these because I've got so many now detecting mugs. 3 of them are the Suffolk Sifters. But there you go. That's lovely. Like that. Let's have a look at this. Hey, jeez, look at the size of that. Big squirt bottle for squirting all your finds, cleaning up your coins and your artifacts when you're out in the field and you need a bit of water. There you go. Lovely. Next one. Oh, there you go. Fudge-tastic new stickers. Hashtag Fudging Stickers. I shall put that somewhere on the title. Oh, look at those. Let's have quick butchers of these. I can get my fat little fingers in there. There you go. Look at them. They're nice. Brilliant. Brilliant. So if you're not subscribed to GoAndGarrett, go and check them out. They use other machines, not just Garrett. They have got a Nocta Macro Simplex at their disposal. Oh, wow, look at this. Look at that. Iron-on patch. That is massive. That is brilliant. I like that. That's really good. And, oh, here we go. Couple of badges, look at that. Double dinger. GoAndGarrett. That is brilliant. Right, thank you very much, Harrison. And Steve, oh, let's not forget Steve, for these. That is some lovely stuff. If you want to get hold of some of this, I'm guessing there's going to be links and things. If I can get hold of the links off of Harrison, I'll pop them down in the description. I'm sure they've got some sort of little merch store or somewhere where you can grab these bits. These things, these are all lovely. These are really nice. They put some of my stuff to shame. Very nice. Yeah, so go check them out. They don't just use Garrett machine. They also use an Octomacro Simplex on the beach. They've also got a pulse dive, and it's the pulse dive and some of the other underwater detectors, like the scuba detectors, and they find some absolutely fantastic stuff. Steve was telling me that he hadn't found any gold in the UK when we met up. He'd never found gold. Who moves abroad, starts doing the scuba detecting, and he's finding it almost every time he's out. So yeah, go check him out, GoAndGarrett, if you haven't already. That is brilliant. Thanks for this. Thanks, Harrison. Thanks, Steve. I have got a little bit of a giveaway coming up soon. We hit 8,500. We've surpassed that now. If you want to know how you can get involved in that giveaway that I'm doing, just watch the next video that I put out on the beach. There will be details of how you can get involved on that. Yeah, check out GoAndGarrett. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are heading out, good luck, happy hunting, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers. Ta-da.